Home economics. When you have a shower curtain that has string, yarn of any type that is braided or threaded, you can wash it in the washer, but a fabric like this, you will need to detangle it while it's wet. It seems to be the best way to do this. Like here, it's easier. And it gets prettier as it gets frail, like that. It gives it that worn look. You definitely want to wash it on bulky or delicate. And then let it air dry. See? Just got a little knot out, just like here. So from my home to yours, I just wanted to share in case anybody else has shower curtains like this. Just detangle it. Like and share.